So we already know that Tesla has a lot of features. However, in today's video, I'm going to go over 11 crucial lesser features that you need to know about your Tesla, and I'm starting right now. So your Tesla can park itself with no one being inside of the driver's seat. This is great whenever you're trying to get into a tight spot like a garage or a parking spot. By default, this is turned off whenever you first purchase your Tesla. So we're going to jump down here to the car menu. From over here, autopilot, and from autopilot, let's go to where it says customize summon, and where it says here required continuous press. We're going to go on and turn that off. Now, with your foot off of the brake, you cannot press the brake here. On the right drive stalk on the end, we're going to press it in rapidly, very quickly, 2 times, 1, 2. And from here, we're going to get a menu. You get to choose the direction that you want your car to park. We're going to say, let's go back. Now, once we get out of the car will park itself with no one being inside. You see the car is already starting to move. You can set all of the settings about how far you want the car to stop from any obstacle that's in the way. So you can see here, the car is going back, it's continuously going back until it gets into the spot. So that's how that feature would work. Your left scroll wheel inside of your Tesla has so many functions. Not only does it control your volume and also picking up and hanging up your phone, if you press and hold it like for 2 seconds, 1, 2, a menu came up here on the screen. Now, these are the different functions you can control: your temperature, your fan speed, wiper speed, brightness, dash cam, acceleration mode. You have camera, your defrost. It can do dome lights and even open up your glove box. But if you have a favorite one that you want that left scroll wheel to control at all times, by pressing the car menu, we're going to come over to where it says display, and halfway down it says scroll wheel function. Right now it's checked on ask each time. So I'm going to click off, and now it just says temperature. You can choose which feature that you would like to enable each time that you press down the left scroll wheel. So temperature was selected. So anytime I press down the left scroll wheel, the temperature will now come up. If I scroll up, the temperature will increase. If I scroll down, the temperature will decrease. Valet mode is another crucial feature of your Tesla that you need to know about. For when your car is in valet mode, it's going to restrict access to certain functionalities of your Tesla when someone else is in control of your car other than you, like a valet. The easiest way that I found in order to enable valet mode is on the app under security, but you can also do it from the car. So you can see here, I have access to karaoke, tune in, the toy box. So I'm going to go on and turn on valet mode, and look what happens. Now, in valet mode, the radio is not even available. You can't even do karaoke, tune in. Like so many things went offline with the valet. Like even here, the extended menu, anything that's dealing with personal information is gone. Like even your energy report, your calendar, and accessing anything. You can also set up speed limit controls and limits inside of your Tesla. This is great if someone else is driving your car, or if you have a child that's beginning to drive and you want to restrict the speeds that they can go. So we're going to come over here to the car menu. We're going to come over here where it says safety, and safety, now you have your speed limit mode. So if I want to just say go all the way down to 50, and if I want to set the speed limit, you have a password. So I'm going to enter the passcode in real quick. And now the speed limit is set at 50 miles per hour. So I'm going to show you real quick. Let's go on and turn around. I am literally gunning it, right? So once it hit 50 miles per hour, my foot is still all the way down, and it pinged. Okay, I got up to 51 because we are going down the hill. My foot is all the way down, and the car is still chiming. And it will tell you right here that you exceeded the maximum speed. And you can also set it to get a notification on your phone. So if you do have a child out there that's speeding, it will notify you in real time. If you want to quickly increase and decrease the temperature in your car, over here by the temperature, you just put your hand down, swipe up, swipe down. There are little arrows there, and sometimes people just do like this or do like this, but it's quicker just to do your little swipe where you want it to go. And with that being said, in order to bring up your menu, Anywhere that you swipe up, you can get to the menu very quickly. And the same thing works over here with the sound. If you want to turn up or down, if you don't want to use the scroll wheel, all you're going to do is right here and you just swipe your finger back and forth and the sound will increase and decrease. Your car also has built-in security. A lot of times people figure that if you even get your hands on the Tesla's owner phone and you can get in and you can steal their car. However, that's not the case because inside of your Tesla, you also have built-in features such as pin to drive, meaning that you will have to put in your personal identification number in order to drive the car. In order to enable that, we're going to come to the screen, we're going to click on the car menu, we're going to go down to safety, and from safety you have pin to drive. By default it will be turned off, but we're going to go on and just punch in our PIN number real quick. Now you can see anytime that I put the car park for the first time without driving, I will now have to enter a PIN number in order to drive the car. You know, whenever you're sitting at a red light and it turns green, and sometimes you may even just like daydream, or the car in front of you forgets to go, your car will now chime at you anytime that it senses that it's at a red light, even behind another car whenever the light turns green. We are going to come over here to the car menu, and from here we're going to go to autopilot. We're going to go all the way down where it says green traffic light chime, and from there now it is saved to the profile. You can also schedule your cabin to get preconditioned before you get in the car. This is great in those mornings if it's cold, or those afternoons when it's hot. You don't always have to remember to go on the app and precondition the car. I'm going to do it here from the car, but you can also do it in the app. I'm going to click on schedule, and you get to choose the time that you want your car climate to start running. When I first got my Tesla, the audio system was super flat. You can fix this by just adjusting the audio settings in your car. We are going to pretty much come over here where the speaker, then you have some lines here. This is one of the easiest ways. There are other ways to get to it. And whenever you get your Tesla, all of this will pretty much be on the line. So you can pull up for like the sub bass. You have the bass here, and well, actually subwoofer, I said sub bass. And you can just adjust it to your liking. And a pretty cool setting that you need to know about would be your voice command features. Now with voice command, we're going to press the right scroll wheel. Turn the temperature to 70 degrees. And now you can see that the temperature is now set to 70 degrees. Now with your voice command, it can work more than that. Most of the features on your car, you're able to do that by voice command. And I show you voice commands that you need to know in the video right over there. Make sure you check it out. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.